Sit in a comfortable position, looking straight. Fill up one side of your cheeks with a little bit of water. Transfer the water from one cheek to another as you would do it when you're gargling. Continue for a minute and relax. For best results, repeat for about 5 to 10 times continuously, as this helps stretching the muscles of the cheek and reduces the double chin.
Stand in semi-lunge stance and pull your elbows towards your ribcage while extending your forearm back, working hard on the triceps muscles. Then repeat on the other side.
Fold your hands in front of your chest. Now lift your hand as high as you can and bring it back to chest level. Continue doing this exercise. Do 3 sets of 15 reps each.
The exercise we're doing now is called the ankle touches. As the name suggests, we're going to be touching our ankles with our hands. All you have to do is come up in that ab prep position. Hands are now down by your side. Inhale to stay here. Exhale, touch your hand to your ankle. Inhale, center. Exhale, 2, center, 3, and center, 4, 5, and relax.
So for this next one, you're going to need a yoga mat. So place that out on the floor, and this is the position you're going to get into. Palms on the ground and knees directly in line with your palms. Then you're going to work one leg at a time. So we're going to start with our right leg. Stretch it up like this and do not bend your knees. So your leg needs to be as close to the floor as it possibly can get without actually touching it. And you're going to go up, 1, feel the squeeze, 2. Do 10 on each leg.
Hold the wall for support with one hand. Lift your calves up and then get them halfway down. Don't let your heels touch the ground. Lift as high as you can. Do 20 reps. Then angle your feet out and do the same. Do 20 counts again. Now finally, bring your toes to the inside and continue doing the same exercise. Do 20 counts again, making it 3 sets of 20 reps in total. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.